Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is August the 19th to August the 21st reading. So para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered to our international audience. Ayan, so Taurus, kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section, no? As long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Taurus, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So simulan na natin. Taurus, ang nakikita ko dito, parang alam mo na paparating na si person, whether you are in separation, whether you are single, no? Parang nire-ready mo yung sarili mo. Merong kung anong force, kung anong puwersa, or pwedeng kung anong kati ito, no, Taurus, na parang, alam ko, no, parang kailangan ko mag-prepare dahil sa mga singles, no, baka sinasabi niyo, paparating na, magkakajowa na ako, no? Doon sa mga in situationship, paparating na magiging maipapublic na ako, ma-my day na ako, no? Yung ganyan. So, para dun sa mga in separations, no? Parang alam ko na eto na, paparating na itong person ko para makipag-ayos, no? Alam nyo na itong sitwasyon na ito is hindi pa tapos. Lalo na dun sa mga singles, no? Parang sinasabi nyo na, oy, hindi ako naniniwala na single ako for life, no? Alam kong paparating siya with the Star and the Three of Swords. Eto nga yun. So, eto na nga mga Mars. Eto ang chismis. Ang paparating na tao is yung taong manakit. So, parang ganito yan eh. Ang taong nakasugat sa iyo, no? Siya din ang taong magpapahilom or gagamot ng sugat na ito. Ayan. So, with the Three of Swords, clarified by the Nine of Pentacles and the Six of Cups. So, actually, medyo may kakilala mo na itong taong to. Kung hindi man kakilala mo na ito, naudlot lang, no? Itong paglalandian ninyo. Charing, bitter daw ako. No, naudlot lang itong pag-move forward ninyo sa inyong relationship. Ang nakikita ko dito, baka, no, with the Star in here, either we are too focused in our connection or probably your person, no? Too focused in our career or finances or probably merong tao na sabihin natin sagabal, no? But anyway, those were the days and eto na siya, nagbabalik, no? Siyempre may pakipot tayo. With the Emperor in here, na parang sinasabi natin dito na, kung babalik ka, ipakita mo, no? Kumbaga kay Maria Clara, pang-igib ka ng tubig, no? Ipag-igib mo ang buong barangay. Ayan, ang okay, buong barangay at talaga ang gusto mo ipag-igib. With the Nine of Swords, kapalit yan ng mga luha na aking ibinigay. Kapalit din yan ng mga sleepless nights, no? Hindi mo lang alam, no, kung paano ako nagambala ng iyong pag-alis. Pag-alis mo, bawal pala kumanta sa YouTube, no? Nga pala. So, anyway, with the Hangman, so, talaga ba? Kasi ang nasa isip mo, parang gusto mong ipakita sa kanya na, either kunyari ayoko. Kasi with the Hangman in here, hindi ka naman nagrereklamo. No? Bakit ka nakatiwarik dyan? Alam mong nakatiwarik ka. Hindi mo naman ginusto pero hindi ka nagrereklamo. You are very aware of what's happening. So probably this is you wanting to parang sabihin natin na alam ko yung kailangan kong gawin pero hindi muna, no? Or baka ito yung gusto kong gawin mo, no? Magtititiwarig ka dyan, no? Not in literal form. Pwede sabihin yung literal form. Magtititiwarig ka dyan, pero, no? Hindi ko agad ibibigay, no? Itong yes or pagpapatawad right off the bat. Pero deep inside sa puso mo, napatawad mo na. No. With the Knight of Wands, I believe that this connection is heading towards into something better or something really great, if not the best. Queen of Pentacles, the Judgment, the Page of Wands, the Seven of Pentacles. So there is actually a lot of waiting, na probably you have been in separation for quite a while now. With the Page of Wands, I believe that even though that with this separation, you keeping tabs on each other, hindi lang isa. I think that this is a mirrored energy. And I am seeing that both of you had made a decision of, you know what, wala naman nangyayari sa akin kung magpapagala-gala ako sa labas. Umuwi na kaya ako, no? Magstay na lang ako doon. Total, masaya naman ako. Kumbaga, meron lang ditong umalis nang hindi alam kung ano yung hinahanap niya. Then all throughout, yung hinahanap ko pala nasa akin na, 'di ba? Nakakabaliw. With the Six of Pentacles and the Hierophant. So nakikita ko talaga dito is yung realization na yon. Ito na yung time na sinasabi nitong taong ito na sige, sorry. And there's a lot of kasi Hierophant is a person who actually stands on their ground, no? And also can apologize on things, and it's not gonna be a problem, or this Hierophant is not going to think of it. It will make me less of a person, no, if I apologize to you. So I am seeing na bukal naman sa loob niya, and this person truly means it, no? If you're just asking for or waiting for an apology, this is gonna be given. Our love will never cease to exist, and I wish we could be together, but it's complicated. So, sumingit nga dito baka nga, no, at that very moment in time, meron talagang sabihin nating asungot, no, sa inyong pagmamahalan. Pero, ngayon okay na, no? And I believe na itong relationship na ito is gonna stay, for a while, if not for a lifetime. But this is a lasting commitment, though. No, so let's check the zodiac sign of your person, Taurus. This might be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. So I'm seeing Sagittarius, Aries, no, Scorpio, Aquarius, um, Virgo, Sagittarius, Taurus, Capricorn, ayan. Leo, ayan. So this is your reading. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? So kung gusto niyo pong, kung hindi niyo naman siya maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Yan. Pero Taurus, kilalang kilala niyo po ang inyong sarili. Alam niyo na hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot. So might as well dumiretso na kayo dun sa description box. Click the link. You're gonna be routed to my website. Makikita niyo po doon, by the way, yung mga icons, no, ng social media accounts. Click niyo lang yon kung anong social media account doon. Mararoute na kayo doon sa specific social media. But anyway, sa baba po nun na makikita nyo itong question form. So hindi kasi siya kasya sa screen, baba nyo lang siya ng konti, makikita nyo po yung QR codes. So nandun yung how much per question, the name, the number, the for your reference. There is a certain QR code I created for questions plus one, so take advantage of it. That's already a discounted price. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa ating description box, no? So, kung gusto niyo namang manalo ng private reading at hindi kayo nagmamadali, dumiretso naman kayo dun sa description box, makikita niyo mga fake accounts. Click that fake accounts, no? Report those, and then take a screenshot, send it to the designated email para po bubuno tayo ng winner, no? Ng ating free personal reading. So, Taurus, kung hinahanap niyo itong X-Files, itong readings about exes, dun po siya, no, sa Facebook. So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.